That's working the video and here, sister. So this is just an unboxing and also my first impression. What I think about the device, how I see things about the device as well. And my review about the device will come very soon. Let's say actually like a month, okay, because I need to study it and know how it works. And the bad side, I will let you know the good side and everything. Okay, so just stay tuned right here. Subscribe and like the video. More videos will be coming right here, and I have been posting about these Oraimo products and all these things. So you can also check to know how good the Oraimo products and all these things are. Only 300 Ghana cedis. Okay, so yes, this is the device that we are going to talk about today. But if you're new, just subscribe and like the video. All those will be coming right here on this platform. Let's start it and let's dive in. This is i20 Ultra 2 Max Suit from High. So there's a product from High, and there's a smartwatch plus an earphone. So the smartwatch is a 2.3-inch display, I mean infinite display, and inside it comes with 10 in one set. So we are just going to check what we have inside. But if you have subscribe and like the video, because more videos will become right here on this platform. So inside of the smartwatch, that's the i20 Ultra 2 Max Suit, we have all these, and I really like the packaging, the colors and everything inside. I'm really impressed with it. But we have a manual. After the manual, followed by the device itself, it also comes with a charger. Okay, so to charge your device, which is a wireless charger. With the bands, it comes with amazing bands right here. We have the chain band. So let me start with the band. After that, we will get to the device from there. So it comes with a chain band whereby you can move or increase the limit from there. Okay, so we have the first one right here. We have the second one, which is very cool and very simple. We have other color, this one, a little bit elastic, and then we also have this. The colors are really nice. I really love the colors. For the colors, trust me, I love the colors. Whether you have a black suit, whether you have a pink suit, like any other color, we have all these for you to choose from. So it comes with all these bands. And just in case you haven't subscribed, use this opportunity to subscribe. And just in case you haven't liked this video as well, like the video for me. And then let's continue with it. Then the last one is white. Okay, so yes, these are the bands. Now we have the earphones right here. Okay, which is new, and it uses controls, I mean touch controls. Okay, so this is one of the touch controls earphones. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is where you'll be controlling your device, as in pause, play, forward, and all those actions. I will get into it more and let you know. So this is just my first impression about the device after unboxing, and then later I will let you know whether these devices are really working well. Maybe this may last longer than we expect, or may fail us. So the review video will show you everything. Just make sure you subscribe and like the video. More videos will become right here on this platform. Now let's get to the watch itself. This is a 2.3-inch display, so you could see it for yourself, and it comes with buttons right here. This is to turn on the device. This is to move up and down, and also go home as well. So this is your power switch, and then also your control switch right here. And at the side of it, we also have this switch, that is a functional button whereby you can get any action. So as you just tap on it, it activates a particular activity. So you can set this for just exercise. So the moment you tap on it, exercise begin, and then it gives you option to choose from. You can set this for only BPM more. Okay, and then we have the speaker right here. Down of it, we have this, the name at the back of it. So we have sensors to detect, to monitor your health, okay, and also your sleep and all those. Yes, so this is how you're going to fix the band. Let's try with one band. And with this side, it is very sharp. Okay, when I just scratch my hand a little, I don't know whether you can see, but as I scratch my hand right here, I feel like it is cutting my skin. Okay, so I think this place should be made a little bit curved. High, you have a call from this video. All right, so this is how you're going to just insert your band into the device. You take the band, you hold it like this, and then you just try to push and swipe, and then you make sure it is tight with the end. Same thing, you insert, you push, and then you navigate and make sure it is fitting fine. Okay, so with this, let me take it out from here, and I have this is Oraimo smartwatch, and my review about the Oraimo device will be coming very soon. So just make sure you subscribe and like the video for more videos right here on this platform. So you can also watch the unboxing down there in the comment section or the description of the video. Okay, so yes, we are talking about the big 2.3-inch display. So this is it, and it fits very fine. Yes, cool, very fine, because this matches with this. So come on. But just in case of any attire that you're wearing, then you come in and then you choose the band. So one thing I really like about this is the band. It comes with a lot of band that we can use. Also, it has its own protector to use for the device, so that you can hit this or it can fall anytime. So yes, this for you. But the question is, how long does the battery last? How good is the device? Should you also buy it? The review will come later in another video. So just make sure you subscribe and like the video. More videos will become right here on this platform. So now let's go to the device. Let's turn it on. And okay, I know you all can see this. I've been wearing the Oraimo device for a while, and I just started seeing this after I took out the watch right now. So if you see it, then mostly just because I'm using the Oraimo watch for that long time, and this will also be under test. So what will happen is just some of these. Okay, so the long period of wearing these smartwatches, you will see that. So that's just for those who are starting to use the device. This is mostly my first time of wearing these devices, so I'll be experiencing that. But as time goes on, trust me, those things will not be available, or you won't see some things. Okay, so just in case you see it, just because I have started using smartwatches, but later, if in case I also get any reaction or continue seeing this for using these smartwatches, I will also let you know. So just make sure you subscribe and like the video. More videos will become right here on this platform. Now turning on the device is this tap and hold, and note that the device also comes with its own app. So now the device is on, and when you swipe from here, it gives you access to all these to see from your screen. And when you go to prompt to click, it gives you the opportunity to download their app. So just in case you don't know the app name, yes, you can just scan from here and then get the app on Play Store or App Store. Okay, but the name is the watch, the iWatch Pro. So this app, we download this app, that's the iWatch Pro, to use for the device. Okay, so the device comes with always on display. That's the always on display, and this is it. So this is the always on display. Although we have the wallpaper, and then the always on display comes after that. When you swipe from here, you get the opportunity to change the wallpaper from this side by just swiping, or changing from here using this. Okay, then you can see we have this to show your battery. So anyone that you just want, then you just go in for that. Okay, so when you tap on it, it will give you all the apps that you have on your device. It comes with WhatsApp and all this. I will just give you my review whether they work or not. So just make sure you subscribe and like the video. So you tap here to go to your home and tap here to get your apps, or when you are here, just give it a tap on the screen. It will give you the opportunity to go through the apps. It monitor your health, so BP, pulse, and all these it monitors. Okay, and also monitor your exercise as well. So you can use this just in case you are exercising. So we will find out more. But that's just my first impression about the device. So far as it comes with all these options, only if they work, I think it will really help. It also comes with Find My Device. So you can just tap on it after connected to your phone, and then you can search your phone with the device. So just go there, you find my, then your device will start ringing. So yes, you just give it a try and let you know whether all this works. When you go to settings, okay, when you go to settings, you have the opportunity to change the word surface and also get access to Siri, and we will check whether all these are working, whether they are just there for fun or truly they are working. It also comes with a dynamic island. You tap on it, you turn it on. When you go home, you will see we have the dynamic island right here. Very funny but interesting. Okay, now scroll down, and then we have the backlight brightness. You can also increase or decrease from here. So mostly to go back, you just swipe from this side to go back. Okay, yes, this side or this side, you just go back from there. All right, so there's a device coming with a calculator, and also you can get your contacts or call someone through the device when you are connected to the Bluetooth. Okay, we will let you know whether the microphone is good, the speaker as well, and any other thing that you want to know about the device. Kindly leave it in the comment section, and then I will see you with the other video. Okay, so yes, there's it. Just a simple device, very nice. I really like the design. I like the straps especially, and also the earphones. So video on that will be coming very soon. We will let you know of everything that you want us to show you or give to you. So just leave yours in the comment section, and then we will talk more about that. So yes, stay alive and bye for now.